Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you what's inside this Walthers PD covered hopper kit that I got. This is a fairly complex kit for Walthers. I already had one of these. I built it already just to get like a feel for what's inside. Now, it's not too complex. You've got the side panels, which you glue onto the actual car body. And you've got the car body right here. You've got nice printing. It's legible, but my camera won't focus. Here's the other side. Here's that side. And then here's the top. Focus. There we go. We've got the underbody. Where what do you call these? Not too sure, but you've got piping. It seems that this pipe is broken. It's supposed to be like that. Oh, just broke off. Not that big of a deal. We've got more piping, hatch detail, stirrup steps, brake detail, and these go on the bottom. And then we've got roof walk and some other stuff. Obviously got wheels, couplers, screws. And then we've got the ends of the car right here. And then of course the weight is underneath. In all Walthers kits, it's a big, long, thin weight. Here are the instructions. Try and get a better view. You see, not that complex. Here's the other side, just some abouts. And that is it. Bye.